Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. Today I am going to share one monopoly stock which has broken the channel pattern and it has retested the broken level. Last week I have shared the analysis of UCO Bank. After my analysis, the stock has gave a returns of around 34% in 1 week. In case if you missed that video, I have provided link in the description box. You can check that. This video is only for educational purpose. Please consult your financial advisor before taking any actions. Before I am explaining my analysis, please make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. In case if you missed my previous videos, I have provided link in the description box. You can check the videos. The name of the stock which we are going to analyzing is CAMS. If you look at the chart on a weekly time frame, the stock has been in consolidation here for nearly 4 weeks, and after consolidation it has broken the resistance and it moved upwards, and after some movement again there is a consolidation here, and after this consolidation the stock has rallied well. After the stage 2, the stock finally enters into the distribution phase here. In the distribution phase, the stock has fallen with good volumes. After distribution phase, the stock went downwards. That is stage 4. This stock has corrected nearly 50% from the all-time high. Now this stock is nearly taken support from the previous accumulation level. As per trend analysis, the stock is making a lower low, lower high, again lower low, lower high, again lower low, lower high. Now the stock doesn't bend to the lower low and it makes a new low which is higher than previous low, and now it has broken the previous high and it makes a new high. This indicates the structure has changed. If we had drawn the trend line, we can see the stock has broken the downtrend and it has retested the broken level. If we connect the lows, we can see the channel pattern here. The broken channel pattern gives a additional confirmation that the trend has changed. If we connect these higher highs and if we connect these lower lows, we can see some sort of accumulation is happening. I am considering this stock is for long term only. I am taking an entry at the current market price and I am placing my stop loss near this low which is around 2000. My target is at all time high. I am having a risk reward of around 1:5. My target level is nearly 75%. I can exit the stock only if weekly close is below this level which is around 2006. In the upcoming weeks, if stock price breaks 2680, I am increasing my allocation which is known as pyramiding, and I can book a partial profit near this level which is around 2955. If you want me to analyze any of the stock, please let me know the name of the stock in the comment section. As per my knowledge, I will do the best for you. If we look at the fundamental analysis of the stock, I am using money control site for checking the fundamentals. They are suggesting this stock is a mid-range performer. If we look at the opportunities, brokers have also upgraded their target price. The 52-week low of the stock is 2037. The 52-week high of the stock is 3140. The stock has also gives a dividend of around 1.67%. The only concern is promoters have decreased their holdings from 23.74 to 19.92%. Mutual fund holdings remains unchanged in this quarter. Foreign institutions have increased their holding rapidly from 29.28% to 33.21%. Institution investors have also increased their holding from 43.99% to 48%. This indicates that this stock is accumulated by some of the foreign institutions. If we scroll down further, if we look at the price performance, this stock has a negative returns of around minus 24.76% during the past 1 year. If we look at the last 3 months, this stock has delivered a returns of around 3.97%. Motilal Oswal have given a buy call for this stock and gave a target of 2900. If you like my analysis, please share this video with your friends and family. Thank you. Let's catch up in another video.